What's up, guys? You guys know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Actually, this is more of a pro tip. This is not my car, by the way. I'm just doing this for a client. But if this is your first time tuning in, please consider subscribing, because these are the type of things that we like to do here. Car audio tutorials, radar removals, Q&As, anything car audio related and install related. That's what this channel is about. So let's just say that you have an aftermarket radio inside your car and you want to add Sirius XM. So you buy the tuner that you need, which is the V300. You buy the antenna that you need, the little adapter piece, which is the SAT1. I will have all these links in the description. But your antenna is not actually behind your radio. Now, sometimes when you take the factory radio out, your factory Sirius XM antenna is behind the radio. So you can just unplug it at the factory radio, plug this into your tuner, and then you're done. In this case, it is not back here. So where is it? So first thing we want to do is actually drop the glove box, not actually drop it fully. This is a GMC vehicle. This is a 2009 GMC Sierra. So this is going to work 9 times out of 10 on GMs, Chevy, Silverados, Sierras, Tahoes, all that type of stuff. If it's a GM model, even freaking Cadillac. If you have a Sirius XM, this is the first place you need to check if it's not behind here, because 9 times out of 10 this is where it's at. So we want to go ahead and drop the glove box right here, and then boom, there goes your satellite radio tuner. You can tell because you have that, I think it's called a FACRA antenna plug. Now what's crazy is that the actual part that you have to press is on the back side and it's hard to get to, so it's almost easier just to go ahead and take this thing out. This one is actually a very easy one because it has these little plastic clips. So one thing we want to do is just pull the clips like that. I've seen them to where they're metal, so you might have to take some 10 mil bolts off, but it's right here. So we get to press that, pull that, press that, pull that, and then we're good. So now we take our SAT1 antenna. That way we don't have to run another antenna for our V300. All we have to do is just use the factory antenna. We're gonna take this, we're gonna run it behind the glove box, and then we're going to install this piece into our tuner, and then our tuner will go right into the plug right here on the back of our radio, and that's how we will get Sirius XM, by using the factory antenna. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. The product links are going to be in the description, and JPtheinstallguy.com is coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Until next time, I appreciate all the love that you guys are giving me. It really helps making these videos really worth it, because I'm helping so many people out. So until next time, I'll catch y'all at the next car, baby. Y'all be blessed.